One of the most common questions I get from home sellers is what projects actually add value to my home in 2026? Spring is here, and that means more buyers, more listings, and a lot more people asking the same question. What upgrades are actually worth the money when it's time to sell? Let's talk about it. Before you grab a paintbrush or start tearing out your kitchen, there are three things you need to know. The right updates can help you sell faster and for way more money. The wrong ones can eat into your profit and turn off buyers before they even walk through the front door. Here's how to tell the difference. Number one, skip the expensive mistakes. Let's start with what not to do. Going all in on high-end kitchen remodel, luxury landscaping, or worst of all, leaving a project half finished usually does not pay off. According to the latest cost versus value report, a major upscale kitchen remodel only returns around 36% of what you put in. That means for every dollar you spend, you're getting back less than 40 cents. Meanwhile, buyers want homes that feel clean, complete, and move-in ready, not a work in progress. If you start a project, finish it. That means missing cabinets or half-done tile jobs could end up costing you more than you think. Number two, focused on the first impressions. This is where your money really counts. The data backs it up. Garage door replacements can return up to 268% of your ROI, which is return on investment, making them the highest return project in the country for the second year in a row. Who knew? A new steel entry door can return around 216%, and a manufactured stone veneer averages around 153%. Inside, focus on mid-range updates, like new countertops and fixtures. A minor kitchen remodel is returning about 113% right now, compared to just 30% for a major remodel. You can also tidy up the yard, replace worn carpet, and stick to light neutral paints. Buyers want homes that feel fresh, updated, and move-in ready. First impressions matter, and most buyers decide how they feel about a home before they even step inside. Number three, do not cut corners on the contractor. Hiring the right contractor can make or break your project, so take the time to find someone you trust. Ask friends and neighbors for referrals, check local Facebook groups, or contact me directly for local recommendations. Once you have a few names, get at least 3 written quotes. Confirm they're licensed and insured, and ask to see photos of their recent work. A solid contractor will help you stay on budget, offer honest suggestions, and get the job done right the first time. Cutting corners here might seem like a way to save money, but it usually ends up costing more in the end. And one more thing. Get everything in writing before work begins. A clear contract protects both of you. If you're planning to sell this spring and want to focus on the improvements that actually add value, not just the expensive ones, I'd love to help you. Every market is different, and I can help you figure out what makes the most sense for your home, your timeline, and what buyers in your area are looking for right now. Call or email me to set up a free, no obligation strategy call, and let's put together a plan to get you the best return this spring.